How to use the D10 step-by-step guide. Insert the charged battery. The hook will power on automatically. Make sure the pin is in the upper hole. The hook must be open and the leads green. Manually close the movable hook. Move the pin to the lower hole. Rotate it 90 degrees clockwise to activate the sensor. LEDs turn red during closure. Once they turn blue, the hook is securely closed. Remove the key pin from the lower hole and reposition it in the upper hole. Attach the load to the D10 with the shackle and ensure it's properly fastened. Press the opening sequence on both remotes. After the sequence, a 10-second countdown begins until the load is released.